Hello guys, I bought this Gator Frameworks mount that comes with these anchor for the drywall and cases. So I removed the case. It comes also with this sheet. So this is unbelievable. This is so thick, I can't even believe it. This is amazing price. I will provide you the link below the video in the description. You can purchase it. I needed it more space, but the problem was that the mouth was not wide enough. As you can see, this is good. You can put some stuff that is not that thick, but this area, and it's very strong. For example, this wire is AWG10, and this can fit very nicely here. So with this one I was forcing it for some of the wires. Now I'm going to remove one of the screws here, because this is a little it was holding it up. Now it seems I have to put a screwdriver to remove it. Or maybe I should get this plier and pull it up. Now this is hard with one hand, but let's just mark a spot first, then I'm going to do it. So I have this spot and that spot. No, it did not fit. That was, so I have to remove and just screw it on top, because the head of this is too large, and I didn't bother to go back to my garage and get more screws. It's not that critical. I'm just gonna put it, and it should work. Yes, I have to hold three things at once. And this is the other piece. My wife is also asking me to come. Breakfast is ready. This is annoying, but I'm gonna try to do it. This went a little up. No, got fixed. I have a lot of stuff here. Oh, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching. This was my first video that I don't want to do any editing, record and upload, because it was killing me, taking hours and hours to fix it. So I hope you guys like it, and if you want to purchase that, the link is below the video. Thank you.